am in the making of my elderberry cough syrup. This is my second batch because earlier I made it's used up, and I feel I need to do it again because the throat is starting to tingling. So what you can do, I have already the elderberry, the cinnamon chopped, and the loose leaves. You just combine all the ingredients, and then the wolf berry. I got it. Down with it. No. And then you put 6 to 7 cups of water. No. You just have to wait for the honey. And put 7 cups of water and stir most of the time. And simmer up to 3. No, not that. Up to 35 to 40 minutes. And then you